I wanted to work for a company that cared about me, so I employed myself. That may sound simple, but it came from years of realizing that no one was going to care more about my goals, my family, my finances, or my future than I would. Like many people, I spent years believing that if I just worked harder, stayed longer, and gave more of myself, someone else would eventually provide the freedom and security I was looking for. What I learned was that job security is often an illusion. Companies merge, positions get eliminated, economies change. Decisions are made every day that can affect your future, and many of those decisions are completely outside of your control. That's when I realized I wanted something different. I wanted ownership. I wanted my effort to directly impact my income. I wanted to build something that could continue paying me long after the work was done. Most importantly, I wanted the opportunity to create a future where helping others also helped me grow. The beautiful thing about building a business is that every customer you serve, every relationship you build, and every problem you help solve has the potential to create long-term value. You stop trading time for dollars and start building something that can grow month after month, year after year. The truth is, success rarely comes from waiting for someone else to change your life. It comes from making the decision to change it yourself. When you invest in yourself, learn new skills, stay committed, and take consistent action, amazing things can happen. You may discover that the opportunity you've been searching for has been waiting for you all along. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money every month, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.